drugs, I like getting money, I like strippers, I like to fuck, I like day drinking and day parties in Hollywood. I like doing Hollywood shit, snorting Hollywood. What can I say? The shit works, it feels good, and my self-worth's at an all-time low. And just when it couldn't get worse, my ex crashed my place and destroyed all I own. Oopsie, made a oopsie. $100,000 oops made me foopy. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. 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 I ain't a killer, but don't killer, but don't killer, but don't killer.
I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it.